right, so here we are in our first lesson of the circle theorems, and this is a follow-up from the investigation that we did. And so here's some terms that we need to make sure we know. So congruent circles are circles that are the same size. So here we've got circle F, both have radii of 3. So congruent circles, we can see an F. Concentric mean they share the same center. So concentric circles are E. Radius, well, radius, we go from the center of a circle out to an edge. We almost always use O to denote the center. So here, OE, OB, OA, those are all radii. So I see OE listed. I'm going to call that one C. A chord is when we cut across a circle and don't go through the center. So DC is our chord. Diameter is when we go through the center to the circumference of the circle. So either AB is a diameter or PQ is a diameter. So AB I see here. A tangent to the circle is when I'm outside the circle and I touch at one point. So here, my line TG is a tangent. A minor arc is an arc where when I go around the circle, I go the small way around the circle. So here PR is a minor arc, whereas PQR would be a major arc. So if we look here, we've got PRQ, so PRQ right there. And we've got PQR this way. So I would say here, when we talk about minor arc, we're looking at PR. So, in this case, RQ. There's RQ is the minor arc. It's the smaller one. And then my major arc, I could think of as, so PRQ is a half circle. So I would say PQR is a major arc. So whenever we go the longest way around that we can, we get a major arc. So PQR is a major arc. A semicircle was PRQ. So semicircle is half the circle. I know my diameter cuts the circle in half. So PRQ, that's H. And there we go. So now some new terms. So new terms, these aren't actually new because we learned them in our investigation. Central angle is an angle from the center out to the circumference, and inscribed is from the circumference to two other points on the circumference. And I'm going to stop there, and in the next video we'll start to look at properties.